In today's video, we will examine in detail the innovations and features of the Renault Arkana model year 2025, a sports utility vehicle coupe that arrives with the promise of stirring up the market. One of the main highlights is the introduction of the Esprit Alpine version, which replaces the RS line version, bringing a more sporty look and blue accented finishes. This change gives the Arkana 2025 a more sophisticated and modern appearance. In terms of technology, the Arkana 2025 also stands out. Now, the vehicle offers a surround view camera that makes parking maneuvers easier. The multimedia system has also been improved, now featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a wireless charging pad for mobile phones, offering users greater convenience. Renault has maintained the price range similar to the previous model, making the Arkana 2025 an attractive option in terms of value for money. The entry-level model, Techno, also targets those seeking a more affordable price without compromising on quality. Under the hood, the Arkana 2025 boasts a 1.3-liter turbo petrol engine with a power output of 115 kilowatts, equivalent to 156 horsepower. Its torque of 262 Newton-meters ensures a responsive performance in acceleration and overtaking maneuvers. The transmission is a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission DCT, promising fast and smooth gear changes. The Arkana 2025 accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 9.1 seconds, an interesting figure for an SUV of this size. According to Renault, fuel consumption is up to 5.9 liters per 100 kilometers, although real-world testing may see this number reach 7.1 liters. With a length of 4,568 millimeters and a width of 1,821 millimeters, the Arkana 2025 offers good interior space for occupants. The trunk, with a capacity of 485 liters, is also a positive feature, allowing for easy luggage transport. In terms of safety, the Renault Arkana 2025 received a 5-star rating in the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, ANCAP, attesting to its robustness and occupant protection. The tests indicate 96% protection for adults and 85% for children. The Arkana 2025 is equipped with 6 airbags, adaptive cruise control, an autonomous emergency braking system, and blind spot monitoring, among other safety features. It's worth emphasizing the importance of correctly using safety devices, such as seat belts and child seats, to ensure maximum protection. And so we conclude our review of the Renault Arkana 2025. We hope this video has been informative and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to Car Channel for more updates from the automotive world. See you next time.